When today the entire world is in the same predicament, it becomes very important for us to start where we are, use what we have, and do all that we can. Hello everyone, I am Vidhi Jagirdar, a first year student of hotel management from Poornima University. In this hard time of pandemic COVID-19, where academics has become a question of concern due to the lockdown period, our university has supported us in the best possible way. Particularly being from a field of hotel and tourism industry where apart from theoretical subjects, practicals are more of importance and focus, we are being provided with ebooks, with guiding manuals and with small life tutorials as well so that we can keep a hand on our daily practical routines. It gives me immense pride to be a student of such a university. I hereby extend my ardent gratitude to all the faculty members, to the entire department and the entire management of Poornima University. Finally, yet importantly, be home, stay safe and save lives. Jai Hind.